So you make a knot, then work 45 chains. So continue working till you work 45 chains. That's it. Then you skip one, crochet on the next. So now it's remaining 44 chains. We now have 44 chains. You slip. Then on the next stitch, you make half double crochet. On the next stitch, you slip. On the next stitch, half double crochet. On the next stitch, you slip. Half double crochet. Slip. Half double crochet. Slip. So continue working with that till you get to this point. You can see it. So at the end, you make one chain. Chain one, then you turn. So on the first stitch, you make a slip stitch. On the next stitch, you make half double crochet. Next stitch, you make a slip stitch. Next stitch, you make half double crochet. Next stitch, you make a slip stitch. Next, half double crochet. So you continue working with that till you work 120 rows. 120 rows. So once you get to the end of each row, you make one chain, turn, continue working. Yeah, you can see it. So now I have 120 rows here. You can see 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. So now I'm going to make single crochets around the bag. Work single crochet around the bag. Here, like this, to this point. So I'm going to make another single crochet here. Then continue working down like this from this point, from here. So you continue working down round the bag. So you work down round the bag. So when you get to this angle, you make 2 single crochet here. Then this angle, you make 2 single crochet. Then work down to this point. Yeah, you can see it. I'm done with it. So now we are going to have 48.5 centimeter. 48.5. That's it. 48.5. So now we're going to work the side bag. You make 26 chains. 26 chains. Can see it. Then skip one, crochet on the next. Now we have 25 chains. So continue working single crochet all through, single crochet all through. Work to the end. Can see it. Make one chain one, then you turn. So you work more two rows of single crochet. That is making it 3 rows. Work more 2 rows, more 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So now on the third rows. So to start the fourth row, you make one chain and turn. So here we are going to reduce the both sides. Reduce the both sides. Watch out. Don't complete the single crochet on the next stitch. Then you complete the single crochet. Then continue working single crochet on the remaining stitches. So you work till it remains 2 stitches. You can see it. So you're going to reduce the 2, yarn over on the next stitch, yarn over, then complete the single crochet. Then you make one chain and turn. So continue working single crochet to the end of the stitches. Work to the end. Yeah, you can see it. So you can see the curve. The curve. You make one chain and turn. So continue working single crochet all through. So I'm now on the 6th row. So I'm going to reduce the both end again on the row 8, row 16, row 20, row 24, row 28 and row 32. Then after reducing the stitch on row 32, you may turn the stitch to you work more 5 rows. That is, we have total of 37 rows. Yeah, you can see it. 37 rows. Then work single crochet down. In this angle, you make 2 single crochet. Same thing here, 2 single crochet. Then you work up to this point. So I'm going to make another single crochet here on the last stitch here. Then continue working down. So continue working like I said to this point. You can see it. So you make it 2 like this. So now we are going to fix the side bag. You fix it here. Then this other one, you fix it here. So you join it like this. Then this one like this. Yeah, you can see it. So you continue working, join everything together like this. Then from here to this point, this other one, you also fix it. Yeah, you can see it. So I'm going to cover it like this. You can see the side. So this is what I'm going to use to pin it up. It works as a magnet. So I will fix it here. Here. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. So now this is the chain. I will fix it here. Here. Then fix this side here. Yeah, you can see it. This is the final product. Please subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.